So welcome back guys. In this video we are going to learn LED blinking circuit with Arduino Nano and mblock 5. So let's get started. So to do this project we need mblock 5. Open up your mblock 5 software and click on the add your board. Here I am using Arduino Nano, so I am going to add Arduino Nano, and after that go to events when our Arduino starts up. And go to controls, track forward, set digital pin 9 output as high. Here we are going to make LED blinking circuit, so we need to blink the circuit. So first of all we need to make the LED high, and after some time we need to make the LED again off. So go to controls and wait for 1 second. Again set digital pin 9 output as high. In this time we are going to set the high to low. So this time the LED is on and waiting for 1 second, and again the LED goes to off. So we need to again add one more wait. So code is completed and we need to upload our code to the Arduino board. So connect your Arduino Nano board. Okay. Connect your COM port and connect. The board is connected now. So just click on upload. Code is uploaded now. So we need to make our circuit for this. So first we need to connect our LED. Add 1K resistor here. You can add 330 ohm resistor, 470 ohm resistor, 220 ohm resistor, and connect the 9th pin to the positive terminal of the LED, and the negative pin goes to any of the ground pin. And as you can see, the LED is blinking now. So let's change this 1 second to 0.5 and upload the code. Let's see what happened now. This time the LEDs, the delay time, I just decrease the delay time so that the LED blinking faster. So we can change to 0.2. See what happened. Upload the code. This time it will move faster. Right. So again we need to change some. Let's see if you the purpose of for our loop and a repeat loop. If you add a repeat loop, you can see we can set this to 3 times. This time what will happen? This time the LED blinks 1, 2 and 3 and the LEDs goes to off stage. Let's see. Right, so let's change to 10. Let's see what happened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 10 times the LEDs high and 10 times LEDs low. That's the difference between repeat and forward. Yeah, that's it. So in the next video we are going to learn the Arduino running circuit. So wait for the next video.